Yolanda Triana. So I will guide you today in Jakarta Art Building. I'm from History and Travel, so I will guide you today in here. So the first, Jakarta Art Building or Gedung Kesenian Jakarta, located in Sawah Besar of Jakarta. This is a concert hall. It was established during the Dutch colonization by Sir Stamford Raffles. The building's Dutch heritage is reflected in its architecture and gives the concert hall a Disney vintage vibe. So, Gedung Kesenian Jakarta plays host to many orchestral performances, theatrical showcases, and musical ensembles. The building was first called Showbird since they made the first performance of the famous play Othello by Shakespeare. Jakarta Art Building is today a hub for artists from all over the island to showcase their talent ranging from theater, drama, film, and even literature. The structure was initially erected as a simple structure which was later modified into an empire style. Since then, there have been many transformations which have taken place from time to time since it was founded in 1821. But first of all, I'm sorry because we cannot go into the building because there is an event held right now. But it's okay, I will tell you the history of Jakarta Art Building. So, the idea of creation of a theater took root from the Governor General of Jakarta, Herman William Daendels, and was put into action by Stamford Raffles. The theater began as a simple bamboo construction, which was built by the English soldiers and could accommodate around 250 people. By the year 1822, the theater started to undergo some form of deterioration, due to which it was decided to replace it with a more permanent structure. The new building was finally inaugurated in December 1821, with Shakespeare's Othello being the very first play to be staged in the theater. So I will tell you now about the festival and event that held in Jakarta Art Building. During the national holiday before the celebration of Eid, many people go back and forth to their hometown to celebrate the festival or explore some other activities in Jakarta. The Jakarta Fair is a routine activity to welcome Jakarta's birthday in June. There are some amazing entertaining events coupled with food and peppy program by national singers and bands. And then Ancol Asian Festival is an event which celebrates the biggest event in Asia, which is the Asian Games. Another event for clothes lover is the Jakpot Lebaran, which is an annual event with over 400 brands. Jakarta Anniversary Celebration is another huge celebration of activities and festivals to welcome Jakarta's birthday, which takes place at Gedung Kesenian. And then now, this is an event that held right now, Pementasan Janji Sukma. I will let you know how to booking the tickets to go to Jakarta Art Building. The most important thing, you can go to the Jakarta Art Building for free. So one will find many events which are happening regularly at Gedung Kesenian Theater. One can visit the official website for the upcoming events and book online by making the payment through debit card and credit card. One can also check at the counter for direct purchase of tickets of various events. Now, how to reach Jakarta Art Building? There are so many public buses which are marked yellow and which will take one to the location. For a more convenient opinion, one can also hire a private taxi or the blue taxi, which will take one directly to the location without much hassle. So that's all from me. I'm Yolanda Triana. Thank you.